20 degrees out.
Yes. Shoot, watch, look in the video. Get down. There you go. Wow, look at that.
Oh boy.
There's a hot. There you go. There you go. Hey. Hey. Arr. Arr.
He usually runs away from that.
Well, now he's liking it.
What would change that? What's that thing over there?
That's a shovel.
Oh.
That's your shovel.
Yeah, my shovel, right.
That's your shovel.
I don't have a shovel.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. You can use 2 hands.
Arr, arr, arr.
What do you think we got? Like a foot?
No, we got like well, there's drifts here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little over a foot.
Really?
18 inches.
Right on. They like that.
They do. He wants to bite the shovel. It's not the shovel, buddy.
It's too cold now.
He's attacking the shovel.
Oh,
It's not
well.
the shovel, buddy.
He's only got a dog brain.
Right. No, he doesn't have a dog brain.
Yeah.
Who of us has dog brains?
Him.
Right here?
Yeah. Now you have a cat
no
brain. Right, exactly. You have no brain.
I have no brain.
There you go.
If I only had a brain.
You have the Frankenstein brain.
Right.
Right. I'm gonna go in now.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome. Whoops. Well, tomorrow's Super Bowl Sunday. Oh boy, help me. Okay. See what the weather says. Oh, Jesus, 15, 16.
Here you go. There's the truck. There's Linda's Jeep. There's my Durango. And here's the path that Kyle cleared. Let's walk around here. What do we got? Let's take a quick look. There's the house. There's the bushes. There's my truck. Wow, look at that. And there's Linda's Jeep. Look at that. That's pretty cool. There's the doggies. Hi. Wowee. There we go. Let's take a look. Quick look around. Kyle's down there. This is the tail end of the blizzard. This is already done for me. Again, Kyle, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Saved me a couple hours of work. I'll tell you that.